The Cavorite X5 is a hybrid electric VTOL aircraft designed by Horizon Aircraft. It is a 5-seat aircraft with a range of over 400 miles and a top speed of 200 knots. The Cavorite X5 is powered by a combination of electric motors and a combustion engine. The electric motors provide power for vertical takeoff and landing, while the combustion engine provides power for cruise flight. The Cavorite X5 is designed to be safe, efficient, and quiet. It has a number of safety features, including a redundant flight control system and a ballistic parachute. The Cavorite X5 is also very efficient, with a fuel burn that is significantly lower than that of a traditional helicopter. Finally, the Cavorite X5 is very quiet, making it ideal for use in urban areas. The Cavorite X5 is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. It could provide a fast, efficient, and safe way to travel between cities. The Bionic Boot is a wearable robotic device that is designed to assist people with walking. It is a lightweight, self-contained device that fits over the user's shoe. The Bionic Boot uses a combination of sensors and actuators to provide power and support to the user's ankle and foot. The Bionic Boot is powered by a battery that is worn on the user's belt. The battery provides power to the boot's sensors and actuators. The sensors detect the user's movements and the actuators provide power to the user's ankle and foot. The Bionic Boot is designed to help people with a variety of walking conditions, including stroke, cerebral palsy, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, arthritis, traumatic brain injury. The Bionic Boot has been shown to be effective in improving walking ability in people with a variety of conditions. In a clinical trial, people with stroke who used the Bionic Boot for 6 weeks showed significant improvements in walking speed. The DJI Zenmuse L2 is a high-precision aerial lidar system that is designed for mapping and surveying applications. It is a lightweight and compact system that can be easily mounted on a DJI drone. The Zenmuse L2 uses a Livox lidar module to generate real-time point clouds with high accuracy and density. The Zenmuse L2 has a number of features that make it ideal for mapping and surveying applications, including high accuracy. The Zenmuse L2 has a horizontal accuracy of 5 centimeters and a vertical accuracy of 4 centimeters. High density. The Zenmuse L2 can generate point clouds with a density of up to 200 points per square meter. Real-time performance. The Zenmuse L2 can generate point clouds in real time, which allows users to immediately see the results of their data collection. Lightweight and compact. The Zenmuse L2 is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport and mount on a drone. The Cionic neural sleeve is a wearable device that helps people with mobility issues walk more easily. It is a sleeve that fits over the user's leg and uses electrical stimulation to activate the muscles in the leg. The Cionic neural sleeve is powered by a battery that is worn on the user's belt. The Cionic neural sleeve is designed to help people with a variety of mobility issues, including stroke, cerebral palsy, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, arthritis, traumatic brain injury. The Cionic neural sleeve has been shown to be effective in improving walking ability in people with a variety of conditions. In a clinical trial, people with stroke who used the Cionic neural sleeve for 6 weeks showed significant improvements in walking speed, gait symmetry, and endurance. The Cionic neural sleeve is a safe and effective device that can help people with a variety of mobility issues improve their mobility. Ironlev is a company that is developing a new type of maglev train. The company's technology uses superconducting magnets to levitate the train above the track, allowing it to travel at speeds of over 300 miles per hour. Ironlev's technology is still in development, but the company has already made significant progress. In 2021, the company successfully levitated a 1-ton test sled at a speed of 100 miles per hour. Ironlev's technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation. Maglev trains are much faster than traditional trains, and they are also more energy efficient. Additionally, maglev trains produce no emissions, making them a more environmentally friendly option. If Ironlev is successful in commercializing its technology, it could have a major impact on the way we travel. Maglev trains could make it possible to travel between major cities in a matter of hours, and they could also help to reduce our reliance on cars and airplanes. Here are some of the key features of Ironlev's technology. The Last Energy PWR-20 is a small modular reactor, SMR, that is designed to provide clean, reliable, and affordable energy. It is a 20-megawatt MW reactor that can be deployed in a variety of locations, including remote areas and developing countries. The PWR-20 is a fully integrated system that includes the reactor, fuel, and all necessary support systems. It is designed to be safe, secure, and easy to operate. The reactor is also designed to be proliferation resistant. The PWR-20 is a scalable solution that can be deployed in a variety of configurations. It can be used to provide power for a single community or to supply electricity to a larger grid. The PWR-20 can also be used to generate heat for industrial processes. The PWR-20 is a cost-effective solution that can provide clean, reliable, and affordable energy. VELO Luggage is a new type of suitcase that is designed to be expandable, durable, and stylish. It is made from a high-quality polycarbonate shell that is both lightweight and strong. The suitcase also has a number of features that make it easy to pack and use, including a built-in TSA lock, spinner wheels, and a telescopic handle. Expandable. One of the key features of VELO Luggage is its expandability. The suitcase can be expanded by up to 20%, which gives you extra space to pack your belongings. This is especially useful if you are traveling for a long period of time or if you are bringing back souvenirs. Durable. VELO Luggage is also designed to be durable. The suitcase is made from a high-quality polycarbonate shell that is resistant to scratches, dents, and cracks. The suitcase also has a number of features that make it more durable, such as reinforced corners and a protective bumper. Stylish. VELO Luggage is also stylish. The suitcase is available in a variety of colors and styles. The Labrador Retriever robot is a new type of robot that is designed to be used in a variety of applications, including search and rescue, therapy, and education. It is a realistic-looking robot that is modeled after a Labrador Retriever dog. The robot is made from a soft, durable material that is safe for people of all ages to interact with. The Labrador Retriever robot is equipped with a number of sensors and actuators that allow it to move and interact with its environment. It has a camera that allows it to see its surroundings, and it has a microphone that allows it to hear sounds. The robot also has a number of speakers that allow it to communicate with people. The Labrador Retriever robot is controlled by a computer that is located inside the robot's body. The computer uses the robot's sensors to create a map of the robot's environment. The computer then uses this map to plan the robot's movements. The robot can also be controlled by a human operator using a remote control.